Once again, welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 13th September. First of all, national news. UP approved formation of Bundelkhand Industrial Development Authority. Entire world can emulate India's law on farmers' rights. President Murmu. India's Titan-like submersible to take 3 people 6 km underwater. In Gyanvapi case, Allahabad High Court set next hearing on September 18. Law not to create army of idle people. Court rejected maintenance appeal. Courts must refrain from delving into RBI's monetary framework. High Court. Now some international news. 10,000 missing after deadly floods in eastern Libya. Red Cross. Russian Airbus A320 with 167 on board made emergency landing in Siberian field. Demand for oil, gas, and coal will peak this decade, warned Energy Agency. Researchers discovered 24,000-year-old Paleolithic cave art in Spain. Life won't be same. Morocco earthquake survivors recalled unbearable pain, loss. US took on Google in landmark antitrust trial. IMF global financial regulator set out roadmap to curb crypto risk. Vladimir Putin praised Elon Musk as an outstanding person and talented businessman. And Dutch groups sue Google over alleged privacy violations in data collection. UK's Old War offers to reopen as Hinduja Group's new luxury hotel in London. Now some sports news. Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli shattered world record as pair, reach a historic milestone. AIFF hoping clubs would release any 22 players from list for Asian Games. The India vs Pakistan Super 4 match in Asia Cup 2023 broke record. Not just on the field but off it too. Business related news. Sensex rose 94 points, Nifty fallen marginally after hitting all-time high. Detailed crypto laws would result in responsible industry use of blockchain, artificial intelligence, Indian Web3 exports. RBI issued revised guidelines for investment of commercial banks. SpiceJet paid Rs 100 crore to Kal Airways after court order. Retail inflation eased to 6.83% in August from 7.44% in July. Science-related news. Planet 8 times bigger than Earth could have water, ocean and signs of life. NASA. Aircraft-sized asteroid raced towards Earth, closest approach on 12th September. Like a diamond, NASA shared stunning pic of the smallest planet in solar system. And that's all in news. Thank you.